I don't even look like XEETECHCARE, or do I? And a chance to collaborate with my favorite YouTubers, I don't know, no idea. A case or a skin? Definitely skin. Actually, the skins feel much better in the hand and they do not ruin your in-hand feel of the phone. And cases are a little bit thicker and they ruin the feel of the phone. I've used plenty of cases made by S8 over here, and whenever I apply a case, the phone becomes ever so slightly thicker, and also the in-hand feel of the phone is gone. The phone does not feel as comfortable in your hand after applying a case. So I'm definitely going with a skin. Actually, I made my subscriptions list public. You can check it out whenever you want. I made it public a few weeks ago, and you can check out all the YouTubers I watch. I watch a lot of Pakistani YouTubers, and if I start naming them over here, it will take a lot of time. So I know it might sound weird, but I don't watch cricket, and no, I won't be going anywhere. And also, I did watch Lahore and Karachi's match, the one which was very intense with the super over, and that was quite good, but generally I do not watch cricket. I'm weird. And what do I think about Nokia? Nokia was pretty good back in the day, and when the Nokia 6 and all these phones last year were released, I was not happy with them. They were like overhyped a lot and they were definitely not worth their price. But now this year the Nokia 8 Sirocco looks really good. It is a bit overpriced, but it does look really good. And talking about the Nokia 6 2018, that phone also has pretty amazing specs. It does not have that 18:9 aspect ratio and the narrow bezels, but it's still fine. Also talking about the Nokia 7 Plus, which is going to come out, I'm pretty excited for that phone. Let's see in what price range it is released. If it is released under 40,000 PKR or $400 US, it would be a great phone, definitely. Okay, so why don't I use clickbait? Check the title. It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg. You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E. I do want to be more consistent and I do want to upload on a regular basis, but exams, bro. So whenever I try to be a bit more consistent and I upload more often, my channel starts to pick a little bit of more views. I've seen that trend, but right when the views thing happens, my exams come. Like after every 2 months I have exams and I have to give exams and I can't stop doing that. So that's why I cannot be consistent. But I would try to be a lot more consistent. Like I do upload one video per week, and that again I had a fixed time, Saturday 7 PM, but that wasn't working out, so I would definitely change the time and hopefully I can be a little bit more consistent in the near future. I live in my home and the phones I have are, and the software I use for editing is Adobe Premiere, and the laptop I have is HP NV15, 2016 model I think, and it has the Core i7 6th generation CPU. It does not have a dedicated GPU because it is a convertible laptop, and it also has 12GB of RAM and 1TB of SATA hard disk and not SSD. And yeah, I think that's what matters the most. ठंडी थी. I get a lot of people asking me to make videos in Urdu, and I do have an Urdu channel. It is linked in the description. It is always linked in the description, like I did add it to my custom description, you would say. And the thing is, I do not upload a lot on that channel because I do not have the time to manage 2 channels, studies and exams and all that stuff. But I would be getting holidays in summer obviously, and I would try to be a bit more consistent on that channel, and I'd see what the results are, and maybe I switch to Urdu, but most probably I don't know what I would do. फ्यूचर का पता नहीं क्या बनता है, नो आइडिया. Good question.
I'm just sick of these opinions and all these lectures. I need my space now so I can feel nothing. I live this nightmare so I can be something. I do what I love and hope you will love me. I face this nightmare, no I am not running.
गोलमाल है भाई, सब गोलमाल है.
The one advice I would give you is to be more consistent. This is what I have seen. At the start, I was uploading daily videos in June 2016, and my channel was growing at a really fast rate. But then my exams came. The thing is, I got a lot lazier and my exams started and all that stuff. My studies went on the next level and I could not be more consistent, and my channel has suffered the most when I took breaks. The first time I took a long break was in March to June actually 2017. These 3 months I was not able to upload at all due to my board exams, or you would say Cambridge examinations, O levels. I was giving Urdu and Islamiyat and business studies and computer at that time, and I have to give 6 subjects this time as well. And I was not able to upload back then, and due to that 3 months gap, people forgot me. No one was watching my videos, so YouTube stopped recommending my videos in the recommended list, and the subscription box has now changed to highlights only, so my videos don't even go in the subscription box. So only the people who have turned notifications on my channel, I never asked you guys to, but you still have, only those people watch my videos. So that's the biggest mistake I have done, and I probably would keep doing because of my exams and all, and my channel suffers a lot during that time. So consistency is king. इरफान जो ने जो कॉपी कर सकते हैं, तो हम नहीं टेक केयर कदर हो सकते ना. I have clickbaited this one, I know, and sorry for that, but I got a request, so I had to, one or छोड़ दो, कोई नहीं, खैर है. Peace and Assalamu Alaikum.